And now the very, very last step to getting your courses ready for Monday morning, don't forget to publish your course. So when you get the course that you know is the correct course, you've cross-listed all your students, you've imported all the content you want to share, go ahead and click inside the course and make sure you select publish. If you don't publish, the kids can't see anything. You can also take this link up here in the URL and you can paste that in Aries next to your course, next to each of those periods, and direct students to your course that way. Make sure then after you've published your course, you go to modules. Make sure only the modules you want kids to see are green. Make sure only the assignments you want kids to see on the first day are green. Everything else, uncheck it so nobody sees the work you don't want them to see.
I mean,
all right, now I think that's it. Have a great school year.